Welcome to English Talk with Emma. I'm so glad you're here.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk with Emma. I am Emma, and I am so happy that you are here with us today.
And hello from me too. I am Mark. Thank you so much for joining us. Today, we have a very calm, slow, and relaxing lesson prepared for you.
Yes, we do. This lesson is perfect if you are learning English alone at home. Maybe you are sitting on your comfortable sofa or resting in your bedroom after a very long and busy day.
Exactly. Sometimes you want to study and improve your English, but you do not have the energy for a loud or fast classroom. You just want a peaceful moment to yourself.
We understand that feeling completely. Do not worry. Today's lesson is designed for the B1 level. This means the vocabulary is clear, the sentences are simple, and our voices will be slow and easy to follow.
Emma, how can our listeners practice speaking if they are home alone?
That is the best part. This is a shadowing lesson. Shadowing means you listen to us speak and then you repeat the sentence out loud. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, and the emotion.
So, wherever you are right now, please repeat after us. Even if you speak very quietly, it is wonderful practice. And if you make a mistake, please do not worry. You are learning, and mistakes are a normal part of the journey.
Before we dive in, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other learners. It truly helps our channel grow and reach more people just like you.
Okay, let us begin. So, Emma, today we are focusing on studying English alone in a peaceful home environment.
Yes, I think a lot of English learners feel a little bit lonely when they study at home. They think, I have no teacher in my living room. I have no classmates to talk to. How can I possibly get better?
That is a very common fear. When you are alone, it is easy to feel lost. But learning alone is actually a hidden superpower.
A superpower? I love that idea. What do you mean by that, Mark?
Well, when you are alone, you have complete control. You can create your own safe space. There is no one to judge your pronunciation, and you do not have to feel shy. You can practice in your pajamas.
That is very true. Practicing in comfortable clothes is a big advantage. Let us try our first shadowing practice about this safe space. I will say a simple sentence, and then you will repeat it. Ready? I am safe in my quiet space.
I am safe in my quiet space.
Now it is your turn. Please repeat. Very nice. Let us do one more. My home is a peaceful place to learn.
My home is a peaceful place to learn.
Your turn. Repeat after us. Wonderful job. You see, you just practiced speaking English, and you did it safely in your own space.
But Emma, I must admit something. When I first started learning a foreign language at home, I felt very awkward talking to myself. I felt silly speaking to an empty room.
Oh, I felt the exact same way. The first time I spoke to my bedroom wall, I started laughing. It feels strange because we usually use language to talk to other people, not the furniture.
Yes, exactly. But once I pushed past that awkward feeling, my speaking skills improved incredibly fast. I realized that my own voice was my best practice partner.
That is beautiful. Your own voice is your best tool. You just have to get used to hearing it in English. Let us practice another sentence together to build that confidence. My voice sounds good when I speak English.
My voice sounds good when I speak English.
Now you try at home. Excellent. Let us try one more about feeling confident. I speak clearly and confidently in my room.
I speak clearly and confidently in my room.
Your turn. Great work. As you repeat these sentences, your brain is building a new habit. It is learning that speaking English is a safe and normal activity.
So, if a learner is sitting at home right now, how should they build a daily routine? Should they study for 2 hours every night?
Oh no! 2 hours can feel like a heavy mountain to climb, especially if you are tired. When you study at home, you should completely remove the pressure. Keep it very small and very simple.
I agree. When the goal is too big, our brains usually say, let's just watch television instead.
Exactly. Instead, imagine you only have 15 minutes. Maybe you are drinking a warm cup of coffee in the morning or waiting for your dinner to cook. Use those tiny windows of time.
15 minutes sounds much more manageable. What exactly should they do in those 15 minutes?
Start by just listening. Let the rhythm of the English language wash over you. Do not force yourself to understand every single grammar rule immediately. Just listen and let your ears adjust to the sounds.
Listening deeply makes speaking so much easier later on. Let us practice a sentence about taking our time.
I have enough time to learn slowly.
I have enough time to learn slowly.
Now you try. Beautiful. Here's another one. Small moments make a big difference.
Small moments make a big difference.
Your turn. Perfect. Now, I want to share my favorite technique for practicing alone at home. It is called daily narration.
Daily narration? What does that mean?
It means you describe what you are doing in your real life, right in that exact moment. You become the narrator of your own story.
Ah, I see. So if I am making breakfast, I talk about it in English.
Yes, you can say, I am opening the fridge. I am taking out an egg. The pan is hot. It connects the English language directly to your physical actions. It makes the vocabulary feel alive and real.
That is brilliant. It means you do not need a textbook to practice. Your house is your textbook. Let us try some narration sentences right now.
I am sitting comfortably in my room.
I am sitting comfortably in my room.
Your turn to narrate. Very good. Let us try another everyday action. I am breathing slowly and relaxing my shoulders.
I am breathing slowly and relaxing my shoulders.
You try it. Relax your shoulders and speak. Wonderful. Doing this every day reduces stress. It takes the English language out of a boring test environment and places it gently into your cozy life.
But Emma, what happens when they make a mistake? Even when I am alone, if I use the wrong verb tense, I hear my own voice and I feel a little bit stupid.
Oh, Mark, we are always our own harshest critics. We judge ourselves much harder than any teacher ever would. When you make a mistake alone, it is completely harmless. Nobody heard it.
That is true. There is no one there to give me a bad grade.
Exactly. You have to learn to be your own best friend. When you hear a mistake, just smile. Take a breath and try saying it again. Let us practice forgiving ourselves. Mistakes are just small steps forward.
Mistakes are just small steps forward.
Now it is your turn. Nice job. Let us do one more. I forgive myself when I make mistakes.
I forgive myself when I make mistakes.
Your turn to say it.
Excellent. If you can forgive yourself, you will never stop learning. You'll just keep growing, quietly and peacefully, every single day.
This has been such a relaxing and helpful conversation. Now, let us move into our word tour.
Yes, the word tour is where we review the most important vocabulary from today's peaceful lesson. Listen to the definitions and then practice the example sentences with us.
Our first word is peaceful. Peaceful means calm, quiet, and without any worry or stress.
Example 1. My bedroom is a very peaceful place to study.
Example 2. Listening to the rain makes me feel peaceful.
Next word, shadowing. Shadowing is a language technique where you listen to a speaker and repeat what they say immediately.
Example 1. I practice English shadowing every morning.
Example 2. Shadowing helps me improve my natural pronunciation.
Next word, awkward. Awkward means feeling uncomfortable, strange, or slightly embarrassed.
Example 1. It feels awkward to talk to an empty room.
Example 2. Do not worry if your first sentence sounds awkward.
Next word, confidently. Confidently means doing something with belief in your own abilities, without fear.
Example 1. She speaks English confidently in her online classes.
Example 2. If you practice daily, you will read more confidently.
Next word, environment. An environment is the surroundings or conditions in which a person lives or operates.
Example 1. A quiet environment is perfect for focused study.
Example 2. I decorated my room to create a cozy environment.
Next word, routine. A routine is a sequence of actions that you do regularly, like a daily habit.
Example 1. My morning routine includes 10 minutes of reading.
Example 2. Having a study routine helps me stay motivated.
Next word, narration. Narration is the act of telling a story or describing what is happening right now.
Example 1. Daily narration is a great way to use new verbs.
Example 2. Her narration of the movie was very detailed.
Next word, pressure. Pressure is a feeling of stressful demand or expectation placed upon you.
Example 1. I learn better when there is no pressure.
Example 2. Do not put pressure on yourself to be perfect today.
Next word, independent. Independent means free from outside control, able to do things on your own.
Example 1. I am a strong, independent language learner.
Example 2. Studying alone makes you feel very independent.
Next word, forgive. Forgive means to stop feeling angry or disappointed about a mistake or flaw.
Example 1. I forgive myself when I forget a difficult word.
Example 2. It is important to forgive your own errors.
Our final word is progress. Progress is forward movement toward a goal, getting better over time.
Example 1. Slow progress is still fantastic progress.
Example 2. I track my progress by writing in an English journal.
You did an absolutely wonderful job today. You listened carefully, you repeated the sentences, and you created a beautiful habit.
We are so proud of your hard work. Remember, practicing alone at home is not a weakness. It is your quiet strength.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you. Please tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite peaceful place in your home to study English?
We really love reading your answers. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is also learning.
Keep practicing smoothly and step by step. You are doing so much better than you realize. See you next time on English Talk with Emma.